Okay, so just like I told you, I just had to restart this stream because it was lagging. So I sent you this same setup yesterday. Now these are the other signal. This is the other signal group. I sent them to this setup, and I was expecting price to come to this level for my entry, but which it didn't do, and we see a drop. Okay, we see it dropping. Wait a second. Yes, these people that want to. Okay. 720. Okay, let's go ahead and so this is the pound yen. Let's look at another pound pair. So what do you look for exactly? We are going to look for pairs that has consolidation around them. Okay, we want to look at this indecision. We want to look at this consolidation first. Which pairs, which currency? We are looking at the pound. So let's go ahead and look at another pound pair. For example, the GBP NZD will also work. GBP NZD. GBP NZD. Okay, so you see all of them. Okay, remember I told you you're going to analyze this thing by using the power of 3. Okay, you use the power of 3. The consolidation is what I wanted you to look for. I sent you all the details in the group for the pound, okay, and the euro. Remember, this is the London session of the manipulation that we are trading. So this thing is already trading lower. If you look at all the pound pairs, how many pips are you looking for? Well, you should only look for something like 50 pips in each pair. Let's see. Let's look at the GBP CHF. GBP CHF. It's the same thing, okay? It's the same thing here. Okay, it's the same thing right here. So let's look at the euro. Let's look at the euro. Let's look at the euro cross. Euro cross. Okay, I will be more interested in this pair. Okay, I'll be more interested in this pair. You're going to look for only opportunities to sell on the pound yen. Reason being, we have a lot of liquidity to be taken down here now. If you look at these equal lows, if you look at the equal lows here, see these lows here. Okay, we have liquidity down here. We want to see price at least trade below these lows. So you're going to only look for opportunities to go short. Okay, like at the euro pound, you're going to look for opportunities to go long. Let me show you. Euro pound. Okay, wow, it's already made its move. It has already made its move, and we are somehow late, I would say. I just wish okay, no worries, it's already moving. It's already moving. I don't want you to chase price, okay? I don't want you finding yourself, So we have this imbalance right here. Okay, we want to see price trade to this level. See this imbalance? Let's look for institutional levels in here. Okay, that level, we're going to look for an institutional level. We see if we could have opportunity to go short there. No need to panic, no need to chase price. What do I mean by chasing price? Something like this, you buy here simply because these candles are going on. We have an institutional level, we have the 0 level in there. We also have the 80 level down. So let's see, this is a, so this will be 600. Okay, see that level? Let's wait and see if price will trade to this level. Then below that we also have an 80 level. Okay, below that we have an 80 level. But the 80 level, I would really be waiting for the, you know, the imbalance. I'll be waiting for the institutional level when imbalance to go short. Do not chase price. Don't chase price. Just let them do what they are good at, then you wait for opportunity to do what? Also at least push price lower. So before you do all this, this is what you need to do. You need to do your analysis on a daily as well. Okay, how is the daily performing? Okay, so we have price selling on a daily, price selling on a daily. This is the pound euro, sorry, the euro pound. It's 15 minutes. Okay, oh my god. So how many pips so far? Well, these are like okay, 100 and something. I told you, look for opportunities to sell here. Don't just chase price. I'm looking at price trading below these relative equal lows down here. Okay, that's the only thing you're supposed to do. Now, if you're late, if you didn't see that post, then I am sorry. I shared it ahead of time. I shared that thing ahead of time. I told you what to look for. Okay. So all pound pairs. So let's look at the euro pound. The euro pound will only look for opportunity to go short after this, either at the 80 level or the 0 level. Okay, you only look for the power of 3, look for consolidation, then you take the opposite direction. This is the pound New Zealand or the GBP NZD. I wouldn't encourage you to trade this because it has already traded below this low. So if you didn't take this, then I think 100 and something pips as well. Okay, I'm doing demo trading. This is paper trading, it's not live trading. Okay, so do not think that I'm trading at this lot size. No, it's just demo trading, doing paper trading. So what we're going to do is, let's wait for the New York session as well. Let's look at which other day we have the news. Sorry, what time and how important is it? At around 10 o'clock in the morning, the New York time. you might be expecting something here. Okay, remember it's a Tuesday. We are looking for weekly highs and lows today. Okay, we are only looking for opportunities to have weekly lows and highs today. Okay, weekly highs and lows Tuesday. This one is already giving us 100 pips, 100 and something from my entry. I'm doing this both on live and demo, 140 something pips. Okay, so this is how you trade the news. This is how we trade the news. This is how you make money in less than no time trading the news. Okay, so always be active in that Telegram group, because I always forward such information. What is going to happen, I always give you the basics. Let's have a soundtrack, and I look for other currency pairs to analyze. Okay, so what exactly am I doing here? Do not wonder. So on the euro pound, I've decided to sell from the 80 level. My stop loss above this high that formed on May the 12th. This is an old high. Okay, this is demo trade, this is paper trading. But because of this strong move, I've decided to put my stop loss above there because I am sure one so we'll call out something like 20 pips or maybe 30. Okay, from here to here, so we'll call at least 30 pips. I'm looking at institutional levels. We have an imbalance here. So if price trades to the 0 level, I am pretty sure that but if it tries trading above the imbalance or the other institutional level, this means that they are coming for this high that came in on May 12th. So techitegeeza I shouldn't try. Okay, I shouldn't try doing what if I'm to sell. Okay, just like I've sold here, I am sure this institutional level will try helping me, okay, out to at least retrace. Never mfuna retracement yoka, okay. Never mfuna just few pips more retracement yoka. That is okay. And use okudda to the 0 level, which is also fine. Okay, which is also fine. But if it trades above this old high, I will be out. Okay, if it trades above this old high, it will be out, and I will be looking for opportunities to either go long or short. Now, when you come on a daily chart on the euro pound, still the euro pound, let me hide all these things so kenkulage. So on the euro pound, we have this long candle, this huge long candle that came in today. Now all these highs were taken out today. Okay, it opened here, took this high, all these highs on Azona, they were taken today. Okay, so I'm looking at least a retracement to at least half of this candle, at least a retracement. Or if it decides to rally, okay, if it decides to rally above this high today, I'll be looking at these relative equal highs, okay, as my take profit, because this means that ekyayagala kwambuka waggulu, okay, which I wouldn't want to see. But if it does so, then this means that it is still buying. Okay, you just do analysis on a daily, yesterday's price and today's price. Then it's still the same pair, the euro pound, the pound Swiss. Okay, the pound Swiss is still selling. One of those three now pips in Gabi so far. The yen as well. So you see the USD card is also trying to give us a momentum on a 15-minute chart. Okay, between a strong momentum here. And how did it happen? When you look here between this imbalance, we have this imbalance right there. When imbalance to between an institutional level, which is the 80 level. So I trust the 80 levels sometimes. Sometimes when look trading, I normally use the 80 level to keep either price below it or above it. Most especially in between an imbalance. Okay, I love seeing an imbalance. I love seeing an 80 level getting more imbalance. It's just like the 50 level. When you're above the 50, it will keep price above it. When you're below the 50, it will keep price below it. Sometimes. So this is a good entry. This was a good entry point. Now, if you brought your Fibonacci, for those trading the Fibonacci strategy, that low and this high, okay, that smart trading entry, but when you look at this imbalance, well, your entry should be at least. So it didn't come. Okay, price will not always come to your smart trading entry. Okay, price will not always come to your smart trading entry. So what am I looking at here? Well, I'm looking at all these highs here, okay, being taken. Now this is the pound, so the dollar, the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. Let's go ahead and look at another dollar pair because yeddako. Now I'm also going to stream that session just like I've streamed this, but this time I will try to be okay. Ngenda gezako to be, you know, a bit early. Ngenda gezako to be a bit early for the London session to give you clear picture, okay, by which fun and we see our entries. Okay, so now you see, just like I told, now this retracement shouldn't make you excited, okay, you know, retracement ina kukola we like excited, but I love seeing a retracement after, okay, after this strong move. Here I am not looking at price coming to my take profit. I am only looking for something like 20 to 50 pips, okay, wano. Now wano price ejja kudda wansi mpola mpola, or it might give us another strong candle or a buying candle to this level. Why have I trusted the 80 level? I've trusted the 80 level because njagala olabe okuviira ddala wano wansi, okay, or the candle that came in at 2 o'clock in the morning New York time. It's the candle that started this strong move wagulu, okay. You see these huge candles. Now I want you to look at the previous candles olabe neno candle. So it ran netuka kuchi ku 80 level. I'm looking at an imbalance wano, then I'm looking at, you know, institutional levels between, okay, on that area. I'm looking at, now I have the 80 level. That's why I decided to sell here. Now this doesn't guarantee, or it doesn't give me, you know, assurance that this level will keep price lower, because you can at this imbalance. We also have a 0 level. So if you don't find this helpful, okay, if it doesn't give you what you want, you can trust the 0 level. Lwachi this 0 level elimo imbalance, and the other thing is tufunyeyo this strong leg, okay, for the last of I don't know how many minutes, like 1 hour, it's been buying, you know, the euro pound. Now wano oyinza osanga nti on the euro pound we have something like 200 pips. I think I haven't measured. Let's try. Okay, these are just 100. These are just 100. I was expecting this to give us at least something like 200 pips. Okay, I was expecting it to give us at least 200 pips. So if I bought here, I would be looking at above this as my take profit, and I am sure it is still buying. Okay, I am sure the euro pound is still buying. If I've sold here, you also go ahead and risk your money to sell now. I'm trading this on demo, which I don't advise you. I just place trades sometimes ngandizi kolirako analysis. Okay, I never mind my lot size on demo sometimes, simply because waliwo gunde zimwe ziri placed by default. So do not risk your money doing the same thing that I'm doing here. Okay, sagala ochikole, you need to do a clear analysis. Okay, or you know, call a clear analysis. Let me close all these trades. Let me close all these trades. Let me close them all. Okay, Zanazana, let me first close them. Okay. So this is what you're going to do. This is what we're going to do. We are going to have another session, the London session. Okay, tujja a London session. Still explaining to you, because today I see we have something on the dollar at around midday London session. No one we know something. Okay, so I will still give you this. You click, okay, bolaba, we have you know 3 stars over the 3 bull news. You click there, go ahead and read. Now I will have something accurate more episode dedako. The next episode will contain something really interesting about the fundamentals. So wano, you can go ahead and read this and you get something from this. Okay, you can go ahead and read. It doesn't read. So let's have this session osomemo. Okay, So let's end this stream to Jabir and Elantion as well.